Hello everyone. Question is, a cloud engineer is provisioning a new application that requires access to the organization's public cloud resources. Which of the following is the best way for the cloud engineer to authenticate the application? Option A, access key. Option B, API. Option C, MFA token. Option D, username and password. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a security engineer identifies a vulnerability in a containerized application. The vulnerability can be exploited by a privileged process to read tie content of the host memory. The security engineer reviews the following Docker file to determine a solution to mitigate similar exploits. Which of the following is the best solution to prevent similar exploits by privileged processes? Option A, adding the user my app user instruction. Option B, patching the host running the Docker daemon. Option C, changing from ALPINER 3.17 to from Alpine latest. Option D, running the container with the ready-only file system configuration. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a cross-site request forgery vulnerability exploited a web application that was hosted in a public IaaS network. A security engineer determined that deploying a WAF in blocking mode at a CDN would prevent the application from being exploited again. However, a week after implementing the WAF, the application was exploited again. Which of the following should the security engineer do to make the WAF control effective? Option A, configure the DDoS protection on the CDN. Option B, install endpoint protection software on the VMs. Option C, add an ACL to the VM subnet. Option D, deploy an IDS on the IaaS network. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a cloud engineer wants containers to run the latest version of a container-based image to reduce the number of vulnerabilities. The applications in use required Python 3.10 and are not compatible with any other version. The containers images are created every time a new version is released from the source image. Given the container Docker file below, which of the following actions will achieve the objectives with the least effort? Option A, perform Docker pull before executing Docker run. Option B, execute Docker update using a local cron to get the latest container version. Option C, change the image to use Python that is latest on the image build process. Option D, update the Docker file to pin the source image version. Correct answer is option A. Question is, an engineer wants to scale several cloud workloads on demand. Which of the following approaches is the most suitable? Option A, load. Option B, scheduled. Option C, manual. Option D, trending. Correct answer is option A. Question is, a software engineer is integrating an application to the cloud that is WebSocket based. Which of the following applications is the engineer most likely deploying? Option A, image sharing. Option B, data visualization. Option C, chat. Option D, file transfer. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.